Today we are going to harvest some turnips that I have been waiting on for a long time. So let me show you what turnips I'm talking about. Let me bring it down so you can see what I'm saying. See these beautiful turnips here? I have been waiting to harvest these, and I think they are ready. Because when I look down here, these things are starting to come out of the ground. So I don't know how close I can get you, but I'm going to try to get you down so you guys can see what I'm seeing. Let me see if I can show you what one of those turnips look like. Let me see. Plus, something's been like eating at these things, so I better get them now while I can. So let me see. Can you guys see that? Let me see if I can bring the camera up. Can you see this turnip right here? Right down there? Well, that's what I'm going for. So let's see if we can pull this bad boy out of here. Let's see. Right here. This one, we pull it back. See this turnip right here? See this big boy right here? That's the one we're going for. So let's pull it out. I've been waiting because I want to put these with my red mustard greens. So let's pull. That's a pretty nice size one. Ooh, and they smell just like a turnip too. Look at this one. That's a nice one. Nice. And leaves are green, all lush. So I think I did pretty good with this one. All right, let's pull out. They got the purple one here. Let's see if I can get this purple one. See if I can show you that one. Can you guys see this purple one? Maybe it's in the way. This purple. This is in the way. All right, you see this purple one? Let's get up a little closer. See this purple one right here? This one we're going for next. You ready? Well, I don't think that one's big enough, so we'll leave that one in there. And this one still seems a little small, so I'm happy with just getting this one. So let's let these keep growing, but there's one more that I want to show you guys. Come on, let's go see. Let's take a walk in the garden, and let's see what Miss Renee can show you this other turnip that I saw. Let's just take a walk in the garden. And I saw this one right here. I don't know if y'all can see this one. Let me see. See this one right here? See, this one is almost ready. See this one right here? This one is almost ready. But it's not quite there yet. But you know what? I'm going to be getting that one real soon. I love it. And you know that's a purple turnip. So we'll just cover it up so Rocky won't be, motivated to come over here and try to get it before I do. But I love that one turnip. Ha ha! Score for a good harvest. At least a little harvest, right? Better than no harvest. And sorry about my hand. All right, let's go on back and check out that one turnip. Let's go see. They got another big giant. Ooh, this one right here may be the Mamma Jamma. You see this big old turnip right here? This big giant one? I've been wanting to pull this one like forever. But I don't know if it is ready yet. Looks huge. Huge. You see this big one? Big huge one down there? I don't know if it's ready, but we gonna pull it and see. Oh my gosh, I think this is the Mamma Jamma of them all. Holy moly. You see this one? Lord. Oh my gosh. Let's go check this out. Oh my gosh, let's go over here so you guys will be able to see it better. Holy moly. I think we hit pay dirt. I've been looking for this one to get right, so I'll be able to do it. But look how huge. Look at this. And look at the weeds. Huge. So let's knock dirt off of this one. You're talking about big giant turnip. This one is huge. Woo, check this one out, baby. Look at the size of this one. Huge, huge, huge. Huge. All right, I'll be right back because we're going to wash this bad boy off. Hold on. I'll be right back. Guys, I'm back. I hope you can see better because I had, when I sprayed off this turnip, I got the lens of my cell phone wet. But I am just in awe. Oh my gosh. This is like a bouquet of turnip greens. And look, I am so, look at the bottom of it. It looked like it was trying to grow some more. But this is a whopper. Whopper. Might be a little misshapen at the bottom. But you know what? I'm going to take it. I feel like this is a win-win situation. So I got this turnip and I got the other little baby one. But this one is going to go down in history for the biggest turnip Miss Renee has ever grown. Shoot, if I had a tape measure, I'd measure this bad boy. And it only has one little dent in it. Right there. One little small dent. But that's nothing compared to the size of this thing. And some of the leaves look pretty good. So I'm just amazed. Tell me if you guys have ever grown a turnip that looks this huge. This is a score. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yay! And my fellow gardener, Birdie, when she comes over, she always asks about this turnip. Have you pulled that turnip? Is it getting any bigger? And I'd be like, well, it's so far in the ground, I don't see any of the top coming out of the dirt. So I said, I don't think it's ready yet. Well, Bird, it's ready. Look at that. Massive. And the roots on that thing, yes. So I'm going to have to make a whole side of that box next year. One of these boxes here, a whole planting of these turnips. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, guys, I just wanted to have you on my first harvest of my turnips, and I think this was a win-win. Oh my God, look at this. The greens look good, so you know I'm going to be cleaning these up, and I am going to be eating these. I'm going to mix these in with my red mustard greens, and I'm going to have that on my birthday, because this is Miss Renee's birthday month. Yay! I'm going to celebrate from the beginning of June all the way into the end of June, and trust and believe I may carry my celebration all the way into July, because hello, 4th of July is rolling up soon. So I'm going to still be in the party mode on my, coming off the high of my birthday and then roll it into the 4th of July. But this is an early birthday gift. I can't believe it. So huge, so big. I can't wait till my hubby come home so I can show him. Look, I grew this all by myself. Even the bumblebees are over here checking it out. But I'm sorry, Bumblebee. Thanks for pollinating it. But, this is my time to shine. I want to see if you guys can see this bee. It's on the pineapple plant. Can you see it? He's flying away. Oh, fell in the ground. He got so much pollen on him, he can't fly right. You see him flying around? He flies a little bit and then he goes down. Just go that way. Yep. All right, we good. All right, you guys. I just wanted to come and show you my big turnip. Should this be my little shot? No. For my hot stuff and my giant turnip. Oh. Alright guys, I know you're tired of me showing you about my turnip, but you know when you grow something and it's a win, because we have a lot of challenges in our garden, so when you get a win-win, you are so excited. So I am excited to have this giant turnip. Yay! Alright guys, I will talk to you in the next video because I'm going to finish cleaning this up and I'm going to take this inside and I'm going to cut up and get these greens all chopped and processed and put it in the bag with my red mustard greens. Alright guys, take care and I will see you again in the next video. Alright, love you guys all. Bye bye. Brought my turnips in the house and I washed them up and I wanted to give you guys a little glimpse of what they look like. The greens did really well. There were some that had some holes in it, but not a lot. But this is the size of the greens, almost the size of Miss Renee's hand. But I am just so excited. And the variety of turnips that I grew, that was this one, and this one is this one right here. It's the turnip Golden Globe. And I think the picture is more like this one. But this one right here is a win-win-win-win. And the other one that I showed you in my growing box out there was this one, was the purple top white globe. And I think once the other radishes, I mean the turnips and stuff, grow and I harvest all those, I think I'm going to drop some of these radishes, some of these black Spanish radishes. Never had those, but I am going to try them out. But I am so excited about this turnip because, like I said before, I am going to drop this turnips in my pot of greens right along with the turnip leaves. So, alright guys, I just wanted to bring you this to let you know that it's all washed up, it's looking good, and it's looking mighty tasty. Alright guys, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.